Today, we're diving into the latest Quinnipiac University poll showing Kamala Harris leading Donald Trump by 5 points in Pennsylvania. But hold on, can we really trust this poll? Let's break it down. First off, let's take a look at the numbers. The Quinnipiac University poll indicates Harris at 50% and Trump at 45%. Sounds promising for Harris, right? But remember, in 2020, a similar poll from Quinnipiac University had Biden leading Trump by 8 points in Pennsylvania. We all know how that turned out. Biden won the state, but only by a narrow 1.2%. Now, some might say, history doesn't repeat itself. But let's not forget how polls can sometimes mislead. Could this poll be just a snapshot in time, or is it painting an overly optimistic picture for Harris? Polling isn't an exact science. Many factors can skew results: voter enthusiasm, turnout rates, and of course, how the questions are framed. The Quinnipiac poll was conducted over a few days, and given the volatile political climate, things can change overnight. Let's get real for a second. Pennsylvania is a battleground state, and every voter matters. Remember the razor-thin margins? Democrats can't afford to get complacent just because a poll looks good. And for Trump, he's likely to rally his base and push back hard. And speaking of rallies, have you seen the energy? Trump's supporters are fired up, and Harris has her work cut out for her to energize her base as well. So, will these polls translate to actual votes? That's the million-dollar question. Exactly. We need to keep an eye on the trends and remember that polls can shift. It's all about who shows up on election day. So what does this mean for the election? Are we seeing a Harris comeback, or is it just wishful thinking? Is the Quinnipiac poll a sign of change, or should we take it with a grain of salt? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the 2024 election. We'll be keeping a close watch on these polls, and you won't want to miss a thing. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.